Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly massive, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling palace on wheels designed for those who demand luxury, power, and adventure all in one package. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice is its commanding presence. Standing tall with a double-decker design, it features rugged 6x6 capabilities that give it both off-road prowess and a bold highway stance. The sleek LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, and premium paint finish make it feel more like a futuristic yacht than a motorhome. Every angle screams sophistication and strength, and those massive tires hint at the adventures waiting off the beaten path. Moving inside, the interior is nothing short of jaw-dropping. On the lower deck, you'll find a spacious living area with luxurious leather seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and a fully equipped kitchen that rivals any gourmet restaurant. The upper deck houses private sleeping quarters with panoramic windows, letting you wake up to breathtaking views no matter where you are. Under the hood, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 doesn't disappoint. Powered by a high-performance diesel engine paired with a robust automatic transmission, it delivers immense torque to conquer any terrain. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures stability and traction, whether you're cruising the highway or tackling rugged off-road trails. Advanced suspension systems guarantee a smooth ride despite its massive size, proving that luxury and capability can coexist seamlessly. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome is a premium investment, starting at around $1.2 million depending on customization. For enthusiasts seeking top-tier luxury, performance, and exclusivity, it's worth every penny. Safety is equally impressive. This motorhome comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, collision avoidance systems, and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. Its 6x6 design adds an extra layer of stability, ensuring confidence on all types of terrain. Every aspect has been engineered to protect both driver and passengers while delivering a worry-free travel experience. In summary, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome is the ultimate combination of luxury, power, and adventure. From its stunning exterior to the meticulously crafted interior, from the beastly engine to advanced safety features, it redefines what a motorhome can be. If you're looking for a rolling home that can go anywhere and do everything in style, this is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tour of the world's most incredible vehicles. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving even bigger.